we're going to do is convert this lead acid battery golf cart to a lithium battery golf cart, 36 volts. So what I'll do is start to remove the batteries. So we have 6 Trojan batteries. They're 6 volts each. 6 times 6 is 36 volts. We're going to take these batteries out, and I've got a wrench, and it's been insulated so not accidentally got to short things. I've got a little protection mask because you don't want to be working around the lead acid battery without some eye protection. So we'll get started. First thing we're going to do is loosen up the negative terminal and remove it. Okay, there was no spark, so that's good. And we'll do the same thing with the other terminal. This terminal has the battery that goes to the wires that go to the motor from the battery, and then also the charging cables together. Okay, so we're moved there. That's good. Okay, so then we've got one more cable. I wired a 12 volt wired for a 12 volt connector. And we'll remove that. And then we'll just start taking all the battery cables off. Okay, so that's all the batteries are disconnected. Now we're ready to pull them out. I bought this little tool, which is actually not supposed to be used after 2021, but I haven't used it since. I guess if it's still strong, it will be okay. This clamps onto the I think they don't want you to use it after that date because it's plastic and it could crack. Okay. All the batteries are out, and I advise you to get one of these tools if you don't have one. Now we're going to take a look at the fit and see how we're going to mount the new batteries.